Hello everyone, welcome to the US Linsky's channel today. We're going to introduce you to the conduit fittings certified by the American US standard. Conduit fittings can be grouped into three main types: for EMT, for RMC, for flexible conduit. EMT conduit fitting gets things like those common set screw connectors, compression without thread of screw and straight conduit. RMC conduit fittings include rigid water-tight hubs and rigid metal conduit couplings. Their main job is to connect to junction boxes. 90 squeeze connector is made of zinc die casting with a greenish metallic luster, one end of which is the upper and lower diameter S of flex connector are not the same. One end without threads accesses the inside of the hose and the other end without threads connect to the junction box. Liquid tight connectors have two types. This one is made of zinc die casting. The end with dense threads connects to the junction box, and the end with sparse threads connects to the hose. The PVC connector is the same as the metal one in the previous section, with one end connecting to the junction box and the other to the pipe. Conduit fittings can be clearly distinguished by their appearance. Zinc die cast conduit fittings have a metallic luster and are silver, white, or gray. Steel conduit fittings have a rough surface with a frosted effect and are silver-gray. PVC conduit fittings have a strong plastic feel, no luster, and are dark gray. Next, I'll show how to install the first type of straight pipe fitting. As long as the sizes match, just slip it on. On the second screw type fitting, the tube is slipped into the fitting, and the screws are tightened. On a hose, it's the same installation. The third type of liquid tight pipe fitting in the installation, the first set of nuts on the tube, and then force the pipe fitting force on the tube ends. Finally, tighten the nut. The tube and the pipe fitting fit tightly.